Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we begin with a black canvas, already covered and ready to hold the colors of autumn. With a large flat brush, I paint the sky and the water, setting the stage for the scene. Painting autumn feels like capturing a fleeting moment of poetry before it fades. Using the same brush and a deep green, I tap in the background trees, soft shapes that slowly fill the horizon. Their reflections ripple gently below, creating the first sense of depth. This is just the foundation, but it already feels alive. Now it's time for the details. With a smaller brush and warm autumn colors, I build the trees layer by layer, from dark to light, giving them depth and form. In painting, just like in life, there are always shadows before the light. The darker tones create space for brightness to shine even more. Without contrast, neither the trees nor the sky would feel alive. And perhaps neither would we. On the upper branches, I highlight where the light touches, making them glow softly. Autumn always reminds me that change can be beautiful. Just as the leaves turn into shades of gold and crimson, our art too transforms with every brushstroke. Each color we add is like a new chapter, teaching us to embrace transitions with grace. Using the same colors in the reflections, I move the brush both vertically and horizontally across the canvas, as if the water itself is whispering back the beauty above. With a small round brush, I add flowing lines and details to the water. Colors have their own voices. When you let them blend freely, they tell stories you never expected. I turn to the ground, starting with rich browns and adding lighter highlights. Next, I use a larger brush to tap in the vibrant leaves of a tall tree in the foreground. The autumn colors burst forward, fiery, warm, and full of life. Leaves touched by the light are brighter, while those in the shade remain deeper and more dense. Layer by layer, the tree takes its form. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Please share your country in the comments. It would make me so happy and proud to see how far this little painting journey can reach. For the trunk, I thin the paint to let the brush move smoothly, and then add highlights with a smaller brush to bring out its texture. Finally, with a fine liner brush and very diluted paint, I let the branches grow freely, delicate and graceful. At the very end, I scatter fallen leaves across the ground, starting with darker tones, then touching them with brighter colors, like the quiet poetry of autumn resting on the earth. Thank you for joining me in this autumn journey on canvas. If you enjoyed this painting, please give the video a like and subscribe for more cozy moments of art. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments. It always brings me joy to connect with you. Until next time, may your days be filled with color and inspiration.